Russia has transferred at least 3 Su-30SM fighter jets to Baranovichi airfield amidst increased air patrolling by NATO along the borders of Belarus. Already strained relations between Belarus and the West nosedived, following the forced landing of a Ryanair commercial aircraft on May 23 to arrest dissident blogger Roman Protasevich and his Russian girlfriend Sofia Sapega, who have not been heard of since. Su-30SM aircraft of the Russian Aerospace Forces arrived at the Baranovichi airfield to form a combat training center for joint training of the Air Force and Air Defense Forces of Belarus and Russia. It is planned that the aviators will carry out joint combat duty to protect the air borders of the Union State, Belarusian Defense Ministry announced on their official Telegram channel. In March this year, Ministers of Defense of Russia and Belarus Sergei Shoigu and Viktor Krenin agreed to create 3 training centers for joint training of military personnel, one of which will be based in Belarus. These centers will be deployed in the Nizhny Novgorod and Kaliningrad regions of Russia, as well as in the Grodno region of Belarus. On September 1, President of Belarus Alexander Lukashenko announced that Russia would soon supply Belarus with dozens of aircraft, helicopters, air defense systems and possibly S-400 missile systems. Belarus and Russia will also conduct West 2021, Zapad 2021, strategic exercises from the 9th to the 15th of September. The exercises that will take place on the territory of the two countries as well as in the southern part of the Baltic Sea will see about 12,800 troops training.